Very good morning to all of you. Welcome back, and you're watching English by Joseph Ma'am. Today I have brought before you some simple sentences that we generally use among us and with our friends. It is generally used. So these are the simple sentence, very simple sentence that today I am going to say. Okay. So before I begin, here are some sentences over here that we use. So what I mean to say is that we use these sentences in our day-to-day life, and when we use it, we read it. When we read, first of all we have to listen, and when we listen, then we are able to speak the full sentence clearly and fluently. That is what the basis, the fluency, the way you speak. Okay, so before I begin, the first one is the school is closed. Now if we read the school, it's not school, no, it's not school, it is school. The school is closed. Please listen carefully when I'm reading. So when you listen carefully, you will be able to speak. You will be able to read the sentence and then speak. The school is closed means school band hai. We generally use the aaj to school band hai. So how will you say that in English? The school is closed. Simple sentence. My dog is brown. मेरा dog is brown. My means मेरा. मैं अपने बारे में, अपने dog है, pet के बारे में बोल रही हूँ. My dog is brown. You can say my rabbit is white and black. Instead of using the word dog, you can add any other sentence, any other word, any other animal. I have written dog. You can write rabbit. The rabbit is black in color. The rabbit is black in color. Okay. The next, my dog is brown means हिंदी कैसे बोलेंगे इसका? मेरे कुत्ते का रंग भूरा है, brown. अगर मैं इंग्लिश, मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा सा अच्छा नहीं है, अगर थोड़ा सा अगर प्रॉब्लम होती तो आई एम वेरी सॉरी फॉर दैट. तो उसके लिए क्षमा मांगती हूँ. ओके, नेक्स्ट वी प्रोसीड टू द नंबर थर्ड वन. द स्काई इज ब्लू. द स्काई, द, यू विल नॉट रीड इट एज दी नहीं पढ़ेंगे, नॉट दी, द स्काई इज ब्लू. आसमान नीला है. My shirt is blue. You can say, if you're wearing a blue color shirt, you say, my shirt is blue. I have a blue eyes. So these are the sentences that you can form. I have many toys. I is talking about myself. Means मैं अपने बारे में बोल रही हूँ. I have many toys. Many, बहुत ढेर सारे toys मेरे पास है. I have many toys. Toys नहीं बोलेंगे. Toys, it will not say toys. You will say toys. She goes to school by bus. She goes to school by bus. Now she, here you are talking about your friend. वो तो स्कूल बस से जाती है, वो तो साइकिल से जाती है. So here it is bus. You can add bicycle, by car, by walk, by auto. Okay, you can make any other sentences with words. She goes, she, see नहीं बोलेंगे. बहुत से लोग, many of us, we read this, we pronounce it see. No, it's she. As we read vowels, you know, vowels हम लोगों ने पढ़े थे, तो हम लोगों ने कैसे उच्चारण सीखा था. In the same way, now when we pronounce this word, she, she, she goes to school by bus. It is hot. It is very hot. बहुत गर्म है. They like to go to school. वो आप यहाँ पे दे है तो दे मीन कुछ लोग के बारे में बात हो रहा है, अपने फ्रेंड्स के बारे में बात हो रहा है. उनको स्कूल जाना पसंद है. They like to go to school. She is very beautiful. वो बहुत खूबसूरत है. My brother is a pilot. मेरा भाई पायलट है. my अपने ब्रदर अपने भाई के बारे में बात हो रही है. The door is closed. The door. दूर नहीं बोलेंगे. Not say दूर. The door is closed. So these are the basic sentences, the small sentences, simple sentences. Please make the sentence and read. First of all, listen, read, and then you will be able to speak in a proper way. So today I'm just ending up because today I have to go somewhere and it's very urgent. So I'm making just a short video today. So till then we'll meet tomorrow. Goodbye. God bless. Please do like and subscribe my channel.